with the current nor'easter impacting the northeast as we speak, or as I speak, I'm gonna turn my eyes specifically to the next possible events, which seems like, now this is 5 days away at this point, the potential for maybe some severe weather here on Wednesday, not really a big deal, but this next low pressure system that moves on to the coast of California and into the plains with some rain out in front, a 985 millibar low pressure coming out of the Rockies. This is all Saturday, by the way, and we start to see the potential for severe weather in the Great Plains as another potential blizzard moves through North Dakota. And this is a long-term severe threat. You can see here the cold front moves very slowly throughout the entire eastern part of the country from Saturday all the way through into Wednesday. Now, eventually this storm does kind of go through multiple phases. You have phase 1 as part of that blizzard, phase 2 when it's a standalone system, pretty much with the cold front and the cold front only, and then stage 3 when there's a second low pressure that forms that moves into the northeast, bringing more rain to the already rain-soaked region. Now, interesting things that could happen with this, we could see areas such as parts of Nebraska see a very quick burst of severe weather before getting fairly cold. We could also see a large area of moisture kind of pile up right along the Ohio River Valley and the Missouri River Valleys. And some of the rainfall could be sticking around for a while in some spots, such as St. Louis here, where you could be seeing rain, moderate to heavy rain, for potentially close to 12 hours. There's the potential for that, of course, but I think that we're going to be seeing mostly just a line of thunderstorms move through this area, and then eventually another potential nor'easter here, very weak at this point, and it seems like maybe some snow north of Montreal and Quebec City afterwards. So, what do you think is going to be the next major event? Do you think it's going to be the severe threat, or do you think it's going to be something else beforehand? There are a couple systems beforehand. Obviously, we have this current nor'easter, then another Midwest possible severe threat, but it doesn't seem very likely at this point. And then you have this, maybe a blizzard. Seems like it's going to be not cold enough for any snowfall to kind of correspond with the strong winds closest to the low pressure. So we could be right on the border between blizzard and no blizzard there. But comments in the comment section down below. What do you think is going to happen? But that's all the information I have for today. Really, most of the models aren't showing much at the moment, which is sad to say, but it is spring. It's kind of just severe threat to severe threat to severe threat, and right now we're in between two. So that's all the information that I have for today. Stay here on the channel for weather updates in the future by subscribing and clicking the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.